5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Deanbury, or 14 miles northeast of Carthage, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Bossier City, Greenwood, Deanbury, and Cross Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish, Caddo, Louisiana, and the following counties in Texas, Harrison and Panola.
I think it's insane because
Happening 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Hallettsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Ah, shoot.
Source, radar in the lower 80s. Impact, damage to locations impacted in Schulenburg, Hallettsville, Comiskey, Worthing, Swiss Al, Dubina, Moravia, High Hill, Brunel, Reading, Emmonsville, Weed, Mullins Prairie,
That's the wrong one.
Holland, and Ellinger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. LaGrange, NOAA weather radio round.
I love how LaGrange and Gonzalez both sync up their alerts pretty well. Also, this one I was just getting it ready. I checked IEM and apparently I missed that alert. So, first EWX related. There's still more to come. But the storm is about to hit my area, and that's all I have to say.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Colorado County and southeastern Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hallettsville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Columbus and Weimar. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western
Caldwell, that's the game.
Guadalupe County until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted.
Alright, let's get back to business.
Lockhart, Martindale, Mustang Ridge, Kingsbury, Meadowall, Staples, Ellsworth.
What'd you say?
Geronimo, Maxwell, Reedville, Clinton Springs, Dale.
How is it for me in Hayes, but in the city?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Let's get the usual stations. Why did this not go off? Well, that's...
Lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continued on the ground lightning monitoring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's lightning killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, that's going to be classified as a missed EAS for this one.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now here...
Yeah, I don't know why it just did that. I set it there for a reason. But... sometimes I can't stand blinking lights.
Southeastern Guadalupe County, North Central Wilson County.
Of course this has to lag. I don't know what's wrong with this phone. This thing got loud by the second. I always forget about that part.
412 miles northwest of Stockdale, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Station.
After 60 miles per hour in gusty. Source, radar indicator. Intent, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Seguin, McQueenie, La Vernia, Kingsbury, New Berlin, Geronimo, and Zip. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Okay, I don't want to hear any more of your static. UVOM'd
New Berlin, Geronimo, and Zip.
Kazar.
For your protection, move to an interior
What'd you
room
say?
on the lowest floor of a building.
And this, I don't know what that means. Bro, what's with this computer? And this. I've heard of that town, honestly. Oh, Zib. Let me clear that bird. Okay. I've never heard of that town, honestly. I heard of Geronimo, New Berlin, all of these. Well, I've been to La Vernia for a track meet. Heard of Kingsbury, but never heard of Zip. Huh. They should name the town after Siggy. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll fix this bed, Siggy.
Southwestern Fayette County until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
What did say?
At 11:43 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilder, or 11 miles west of Flatonia.
Brand new SVR. It was this one the whole time. I forgot I had it on 14 on the volume.
Including the 5 ways to get rid of.
Even this one's loud.
Storm was located over the National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Manchester and Italy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Moving northeast at 40 miles from Elm Grove, around power wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Northeast. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Smithville, Wilder, Cistern, Muldoon, Elm Grove, Rabbit Prairie, Floyd, Plum, Pilver, Jetto, Colony, West Point, Winchester, and Kirtley.
This is actually decoded right.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area, which covers a roughly 8-mile wide swath from near Campbellton to 3 miles southwest of Falls City. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Campbellton, Fashing, and DeWeeville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.